Today we're going to do a little project using 3 products from American Paint Company. We are going to use the black glaze, the copper metallics, and some Freedom Road paint. And we are going to have some fun transforming just a glass vase. You can pick these up at any thrift store, or maybe even have one down in storage that you can pull up and transform with some products. So the first layer, when you go to paint it, it's going to look maybe like a kindergartner painted it. It's not going to be completely covered, and you want to let it dry completely before you do your second coat. And so basically it's like a layering on top of glass, and you want to do it until you can't see through the piece. So it might take 2 or 3 layers. And then what I loved on this, I wanted to add some bling to it, so I took some of the copper metallics and I kind of just like sprayed it on to the vase. I took like a chip brush and kind of splattered it to get the look. And then I wanted to blend and make the bottom more dramatic, so I took some of the black glaze on a makeup sponge and just sponged it around on the bottom of the vase, just to give it a dramatic look, I guess is what I was going for. And I just love how it turned out. Actually, it's quite a transformation from a boring glass vase to a beautiful painted funky vase. I just love the feeling that I have after I finish a project and have taken some time just for myself and creating something. And so I really hope you make time today to create.